Firm but yields to the pressure. Nice snap off the vine. That's a keeper.
Adjusting the header height now, maintaining target speed. Let me know if you see any anomalies on your end.
Keep the intake clear.
It's moving faster than the last batch.
Keep it steady, we're almost through.
I can barely hear you.
As you can see, the specific gravity difference ensures a clean sort every time.
The separation rate is excellent. This will significantly reduce waste. There's a branch.
Okay, got it.
Adjusting the chute now, I'm clear on the gap. Switching tubs complete, hold for the next run.
We can't keep this pace in this heat, boss. The engine's running too hot. Just keep her steady, we're almost at the end.
Cleaning the primary optical sensor now. Just clearing some residue.
The vines and leaves are completely caught.
Start the cleaning stage. That metallic rattling is getting dangerous.
This transformation is amazing. I feel so slick.
Just keep sliding smoothly down the line.
Operator 4, main separator wash is complete. Moving to the header now. Over.
Base, Harvester 7 is secure. Finishing up here.
I think you've outdone yourself this time.
It's just Grandma's recipe. Glad you like it.